Lisa D with Sound Body and Mind, and you have joined me today for Tabata, Take It to the Limit. So what does that mean? What do I have in here? You need a pretty good space, 6 foot by 6 foot, and a mat. I need you to get 2 cups. You can choose whatever kind you want. I'm going for it. Go small or go home. Dixie cups will make the leg work we're gonna do later the hardest. You need 2 things the same size. If you don't have cups, get 2 little stuffed animals, something that you can lower and lift. If you have solo cups, those kinds that you bring to the beach to drink water, wine, get those. Not a breakable, not a glass cup. And then these plates, so we're not having a picnic, even though we have 2 plates and 2 cups. We'll do that later. But if you don't have gliders, and most people do not, go get some paper plates, or just go get 2 wash rags, 2 like small square rags for when we do some mountain climbers and plank. Okay, so Tabata, take it to the limit. 4 sets. We'll do a warm up, and then 2 cardio strengths, cardio kickbox sets, and then we'll work the cups. That's all we need, 1 set of cups, and then we'll take it to the mat and work some push-ups, so some upper body, and some cardio core work using the plates. I'm going to ask you, if you need to between sets, just stop the video, take a 1-minute break between each one. I'm not going to sit here with you for a minute, but when you need to take breaks, please do so. Your heart rate gets pretty high in Tabata. So those who don't know about it, each set has 8 intervals, 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of break. And I'm going to vary the movements so it'll stay interesting and challenging. All right, so let's get ready for the warm-up. Okay, here we go with the warm-up. Step those feet wide, open your knees, deep breath up just a couple times. And exhale out. Let's do it once more. Deep inhale, walk the feet in. Dukes up, box shuffle. Right and left, right here, right, left. Boxer shuffle. Shoulders are down your legs. Your hands are in fists. Let's go 4 more. 3, 2. Let's step that right leg into the ring on the diagonal and give me a speed bag. This old man goes rolling home. Arms are up, shoulders down, pressing away with your tricep. Speed back. Forward and back. Okay, 2 sets of 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Let's go 1 more set. 8, 7, 6, 5. Get ready to get a pre-10 jump rope and jump rope here, center. Just tap those toes up. Twirl your ropes. Square it out. I can just see my cousins on their rooftop in New York City. Sin, Warren, Ava, Bethel, box and shuffle, right and left, right and left. Right and left and right, sorry, left and right. Okay, dukes up, let's go into the ring. This old man come rolling home, so towards you. Speed back instead of away, bring it home. Left leg into the ring, cross. Now drop your shoulder heads, cup your hands. It's not really a speed bag. 2 sets, 8, towards you. 4, 3. Let's go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Jump rope. Whew. Get your rope, twirl it forward. 8 more. 6, 5, we're going to alternate knees up. Right knee up first. Right knee up, left knee up. Woo! Heart rate's going up, drive that knee up towards the chest. It's not this, knee up to the chest. Okay, look, take it to the side, hydrant, put your dukes up. Lift the side of the leg and using the gluteus medius, side of the butt. 4, 3, now back to knees, but make it a kick in front. Look, boom. So look, knee kick knee, push pull. Leg goes out and away. 4 more opposite hand punches. 3, this is just a preview. Okay, look, side kick. Step, make the step part of your move. Step, woo. We've got 4 more. Deep inhale. Exhale out. I feel like I might even go get a sip of water before we start. Don't gulp water, sip water. Tabata set 1 coming up. We've got a series of punches, jabs, and kicks. See you in a bit. Okay guys, music is a little different. You're stabilizing your leg, okay? This is stay still. We go jab, 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 right side. Ready? Right, left. Don't throw out your shoulder. Bop, 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 bop. Low body stay still, but your inner thighs and quads are engaged. Feel the pump from your side. 2 and 1. Hold. Roll your shoulders back. Next is left and right. Keeping this still. Dukes up. Ready? Go. Left, right. Bop, 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 bop. Using your lats, your back, your shoulders, your chest for the punch. Left, right. Feel your waist whittle. Stop. Okay, next one. Single, double. So right single, left single, 2 doubles left, then alternate. Single, double. Single, double. Single, double. Left, twice. Right, left, right, twice. Bop, bop. 1, 2, double. Awesome. All right, last one with the punches. Left, right, double left. Ready? Go. Left, right, double 2. Right. Bop, single, double. 2 left, 2 right. I can feel this in my waist. External obliques. Last one. All right, walk it in. We're going to kicks. We go right kick, left kick. You ready? Right kick, left kick. Boom. Knee kick, knee. Look. Boom. Opposite hand punches. Feel the underside of your leg as you lift and kick. Front kick. The music's a little harder to hear than the other way. Left kick, right kick. Get ready. Dukes up. Left kick, right kick. Step. Make the step a part of the move. Then knee lifts up, kicks out, and pulls right back in. Alternating kicks. Left, right. All right. Only the right leg kicks. Step kicks. Kick. Okay? Only the right leg. Ready? Kick. Kick. Okay? You need balance on the left leg. You're not going to be able to stay on the beat of the music. Boom. Right leg. Unilateral movement. Isolating the kick on the right leg. The balance on the left leg. All right, switch sides, balance on the right leg, kick on the left leg. Dukes up, left leg's back, front kick, left leg. Boom, boom. Out in, stay in your sagittal plane, front and back. Good. Front kick. That's it, Tabata set 1, we finished that. Okay guys, here goes the music. The next set is a bunch of hooks, uppercuts, and punches. Looks like this, watch. Hook, ready? To the right, go. Hook right, hook left. Come around the side. You come up on the toes if you want. Lift up with the inner thigh. Hook, hook. Like your forearm is sliding across the table and punching someone in the cheek. Stop. Okay. Next one, uppercut. Comes from around the back, boom, punches him in the chin, six. Feel the pull up. with your inner thighs. Up, up, good. Come around the side. Up, up, pull up. Punch that chin around, around. Pull up with the inner thighs. Uppercut, uppercut. And one. Okay. All right. Next. What do we do? Let's hold down on the left side. Boom, boom. Okay? Boom, boom. Use the muscles of the shoulder, not the joints. Boom. Don't hyperextend the elbow. Hold down. Down up. Push pull. Push pull. Good. Stable front leg. Back leg tapping. One. Okay. Right hand up. Okay? Ready? Come on up. Boom, boom. From the side, lats, rhomboids, bicep press up, push pull, boom, hold, into the front leg. Feel the back of the leg, hamstring. Boom, elbow up to the corner. Down, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Hooks on the left side, stabilize the lower body. Okay? Hook, good. Hook, hook. Left, right, hook. Into the cheek, slide that forearm across the table. Hook, hook. Around, around. Punches get your upper body a lot. One, stop. Okay. Uppercut from the left side, then the right. Boom, boom. You ready? Uppercut, uppercut, uppercut. Pull, pull up with the inner thighs. Don't let the knees come around from the waist. We're getting a core workout more than you realize. Uppercut, punch in the chin. Boom, 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 boom. All right, next. What do we do? Let's hold down on the left side. Boom, boom, okay? Boom, boom. Use the muscles of the shoulder, not the joints. Boom. Don't hyperextend the elbow. Hold down. Down up. Push pull. Push pull. Good. Stable front leg. Back leg tapping. 1. Okay. Right hand up. Okay? Ready? Come on up. Boom, boom. From the side, lats, rhomboids, bicep press up, push pull, boom, hold, into the front leg. Feel the back of the leg, hamstring. Boom, elbow up to the corner. Down, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Go get water and get your cups, right? Get a sip of water, come back. Okay, you have your cups. We're gonna do reverse lunges. Right leg only. Pick up your cups, look. Put them down, pick them up. Ready, go. Right leg only, put them down, pick them up. 2 90-degree angles. Both knees. Put them down, pick them up. Little 90s. Okay? Stay in your sagittal plane. My hands are on your hips. Stop. Alternate right and left, okay? Right leg, put them down, 2 90s. Left leg, pick them up. Ready? Go. Right leg, put them down. Left leg, pick them up. 90 degrees. Get your breast on that corresponding thigh. Alternate right and left. Go. Right, put them down. Left, pick them up. Look at my arms. Add some more upper body. Woohoo! We're not going to be cheering so much later tonight or tomorrow morning. Pick them up. Left leg and left leg only. Reverse legs. Go back. Okay. Left leg. 290 degrees. Pick them up. Okay? I lost one. Back of that left leg. Isn't it, guys? Hamstring and glute maximus. All right. Pick them up. Alternate left and right. Reverse lunge. Last one, guys. Okay. Left leg and then the right. Okay? Try to keep that breath right over the knee. Don't lean forward. Don't walk forward. Woohoo! Okay, last one. Pick them up. We did it. Okay. Stop the video. Take 1 minute. Get water. Get your mats. Get your gliders. Okay? I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, quick setup for Tabata set 4, because there's going to be some movement back and forth. I hope you've allowed your heart rates to go down and allowed about a minute or even a minute and a half or two to come down to where we are. Keep your head above your heart while you listen to this. You will have either, if you have gliding discs, go ahead and use them, those purple ones. Otherwise, you have paper plates, 2 of them, or 2 washcloths, hopefully not your best ones, and you're not on a carpeted surface, you're on like a hardwood floor or a harder surface so that the feet can glide. When we do 1, 3, 5, 7 is gliding those feet on the discs, okay? So those people who have wrists that don't like to be in plank for a long time, you have the option to either go on your knuckles, okay, to go into hold dumbbells, but you have to be back on this mat so you can get full range of motion without the mat shortening your range of motion. So you're back here, okay? You also have the option to alternate holding a high plank and a low plank if you're not a push-up person or a planky kind of or a person that wants to move while planking, okay? So you can either hold a high plank on the evens, and on the odds, and a low plank on the evens, but no butts up, okay? Now, on 2, 4, 6, 8, we're just gonna do 2 sets of push-ups, and those who wanna be on your knees, quickly pull your mat back, put your hands on the floor. Those who are fine with full plank, tuck your toes out, okay? So 1, 3, 5, 7 is gonna be mountain climbers on the gliding discs or the plates, and also Spider-Mans. Look, okay? The legs are gonna come to the side, but my toe's gonna be on the gliding disc. If you don't have discs at all, just do mountain climbers without the discs. Looks like this, okay? Slow or fast. And push-ups, you can just hold a plank, all right? So here we go. I hope that talking allowed your heart rates to go down some, and if it's not down yet to where you can speak comfortably, wait a few seconds or wait a couple minutes. All right, so here we go. 1, 3, 5, 7 with the gliders, 2, 4, 6, 8 push-ups. So we're gonna work a lot of upper body, okay? If you can get 6, 8, or 10 push-ups, that's great. You're gonna do about 24 or so push-ups. All right, starting the music. Okay, so I've got my gliding discs. This is what they look like. You're gonna get into your high plank, wrists under elbows, right knees in, right and left. We're not rocking the upper body in and in and in. What if you don't have discs? This is what I want you to do. In and in. Strong and square through the upper back. In and in. All right. Put the discs to the side. If you want to do push-ups on your knees, you're here. Otherwise, you tuck out. Give me 6, 8, or 10 push-ups. Woo. forward, come down with your head rest. Woo. Left arm stay down, right arm thread through. We did this yesterday. Walk the left fingertips to the right. Switch. Right arm to the left corner, left hand threads under. Left temple on the mat. Woo. And come on in. Unfold your mat. Let's do a quick stretch. Wow, you did great. Get all your junk out of the way. All right. Okay. Here's a cool down. Take a seat, legs crisscross, pull your sit bones out from underneath you. Deep inhale. This song is probably about me, sweet but a psycho. Exhale, well you're psycho too because you're joining me for this. All right. Left knee bend, right leg is long. Pull out that left sits bone. Inhale up. Exhale, turn to the right leg. Get taller, inhale. Exhale, hold, slice off that right toe with the right pinky. Extend the left arm long, nose to the knees. Let your head just drop neutral, ears between the biceps. Reach more. Feel the hamstring and calf muscle of that right leg. If you can, hold on to the bottom leg of the leg or the toe right underneath the shoe and then wash your hands as we do so well. And just sit up straight and draw your toes towards that right shoulder and push through the heel. So the leg is pretty darn straight. You're feeling a calf and deeper hamstring stretch on the right side. Sit up straight. Okay? Lift up that heel a little bit and the toes more curl up towards the back. Woo. And then put that left hand down, pressing down on that left pinky toe. Extend up and let the head drop. Low back on the left side of your body. Give me a big arch. And then come on down. Let's get the glute medius by crossing the right leg over, hugging that leg, sit up straight. And look over the shoulder. Feel the outer thigh and glute of this right side. Hug it in and sit up and just look over your right shoulder. Hug it in tight. So you should feel a nice stretch on the glute medius. And then release that leg. Now that knee is bent, and then the left leg goes long. So short left leg long, short right leg, long left leg. Deep inhale. Exhale, turn to the left leg. Deep inhale, get taller. Exhale, slice off that left pinky toe. And then reach that right arm longer so you feel the latissimus dorsi on the right side. Get longer, reach more forward. Now you should feel underneath that left leg. Let me sit back a little more, guys. Woo. Okay, nose down. Get long. And then come on up. Hold on to that calf or the foot. Sit up straight and just draw the toes towards that left shoulder. Heel goes out and away. Push through. Feel the gastrocnemius, the calf, hamstring, called the bicep femoris. Lengthen the arm. Let's get an arm stretch out of this too. Sit up straight. Okay, straighten out that left leg. And then right hand down, left arm up, pushing down on that right pinky toe, arch over, low back on the right side. Let the head drop, fingers straight. And then come on up. Glute medius, bring that left leg around. Hug it in really tight. It's right at that left breast. Hugging that sucker tight. Like, I love you. And then look over your left shoulder. You should feel the outer thigh, the IT band. It's called your abductor. IT band and the gluteus medius, side of the butt. Woo. Come on in, look over. And then uncross. Woo. Take a seat, squeeze out your quads, okay? And then deep inhale. Exhale out, one more time. Roll those shoulders back, 1, 2, 3. We almost ended on the beat of the music. Have a great day, you did it. You did cardio, strength, core, okay? We worked upper body, lower body, so I'm thinking you're gonna feel it in the hammies and glutes later, and probably your chest from the push-ups. Have a great one, guys. Thanks for joining me.